And I use a Teflon pan instead of steaming this. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Make the second batch of the rice noodle roll. I just put some olive oil in there. This is the healthier oil. And this is the mixture. I'm gonna give you all the ingredients. And then you just pour a thin layer of this. And then you cover it with a lid. And then you steam this with a pan for about a minute. You will see the noodle bubbling. That's an indication that the noodle is done. So when it starts bubbling, I'm going to add a slight bit of water and let it simmer for a while longer. That will help make the noodle a bit smoother. And I'm on low flame here. Okay? So you can see the noodles starting to bubble. So I'm going to add just a small amount of water. I put it right on the top, maybe 2 tablespoons of water, and let it simmer for another minute, and then I'm going to turn off the flame. Okay, so turn off the flame and this is done. So you start off with one side. And then over here, towards the end, the pan is still hot, so I don't want to touch it. So that's it. And then you just put it on your plate. It's easy to slide off when you have a Teflon pan. Just slide it on there. So this is rice flour. This is 1 pound. It comes in a 1 pound bag. I just used half of it. Half of it is about half a pound. And half a pound, I can make at least 10 of these rolls. And half a pound of rice flour. And then I have potato starch. This is the second ingredient. This is tapioca starch. Well, this is kind of the binder that makes the rice noodle a little chewy, or it holds the noodle together. Instead, if you don't use this, this will fall apart and you can't roll it. So I used half a bag. This comes in probably like a 12-ounce bag. And half a bag of this, half a bag of this, and then you add water. But you can see the consistency here. It's like whole milk. And this is a Teflon pan that you can use.